Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Dji Mini 3's all leaks, photos, specification, videos are out and we can see them all over online media. And hopefully we are expecting to get it launched by few weeks from now, maybe this month, in April or in starting of May. First Mini 3 video was published by Dji Drone on Twitter, and from this video we get to know that the previous leaks box picture was not a joke and it was an actual product image. So what's new about this drone is that now Mini 3 gets obstacle avoidance system. Ground sensors were also there in Mini 2, but now Mini 3 gets front and back sensors. The main deal in Mini 3 is that with all these sensors still weighs under 250 grams. That's something nice. If you look at the battery, you will notice that it has this.go.in mentioned on it. That means India. So it might be ready to ship to most of the countries, and as mentioned in previous leaks which also were on the internet. As it got more sensors and maybe a slight increase in flight time, which DJI has always done with new drones, this Mini 3 comes with 2453 mAh battery, while its predecessor Mini 2 has 2250 mAh battery. It has new redesigned 3-axis gimbal, which is way far different from its predecessor, and this redesigned gimbal may allow to shoot in vertical video mode for major video sharing platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts and many other social media platforms. The camera on Mini 3 is E24 f1.7. It has same 24mm focal length as that with Mini 2, but Mini 3 gets large aperture of f1.7 and that will make Mini 3 perform better in low light condition as compared to Mini 2 with f2.8. Well, now we have to just wait for its launch to know about its pricing. Till then, take care and have safe flight with your existing drone.